It says chief complaint, physical assault. Mom noticed multiple abrasions to left ankle, back, right shoulder. Says he wasn't acting right last night when he was returned. Did you make that complaint for Christopher?
I did.
So you're saying on the record right now, you know for a fact, me, his dad, physically assaulted him.
Yes.
Were you in San Antonio when you saw this assault?
No, but he was not. That way, when I drop him off to you.
Do kids get scratches and bruises?
Sure.
Did you ever get scratches and bruises as a child?
Sure.
Okay. It also says on just below, when she picked him up last night, she was giving him a bath. She noticed these marks. Then patient could not tell her what happened. When she asked dad, he said patient slipped at the water park. Do you think the injury on the left ankle is an injury that could happen at a water park?
No.
It's possible.
Okay. On the physical exam on page 2, are you aware that I was a firefighter EMT?
Yes.
Are you aware that I was on one of the busiest ambulances in the city of Houston?
Yes.
Are you aware that I took?
Yes, Mr. Saldana, there's an objection. I didn't hear you, Mr. Joseph.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're muted, Mr. Joseph. Yeah, Mr. Joseph, you're muted.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. My objection is relevant, Your Honor.
Sustained.
What was the answer? I'm sorry.
The objection was made and the objection was sustained.
Oh.
The objection was relevance.
Okay, I'm sorry. If you look down on physical exam, it says HENT. What does the comment say?
Bruise to the left cheek.
And what ankle was busted up?
Left.
So left cheek, left ankle. Is it possible he could have slipped at the water park?
It's possible, but you said you had no idea. You said that you had no idea and that the bruise to the shoulder and the stuff on the back was already there when I gave them to you.
So are you telling us that the doctor found this bruise?
Yes.
Judge, I hope you take judicial notice of that she's saying the doctor took notice of the bruise before she did.
Well, I think the prior testimony did an examination of the child by a doctor uncover some injuries that you weren't aware of. And her testimony was yes. And then the question was asked where? And she said on the left side of his face.
She's talking about the bruise to the face.
Yeah. But because remember, she said she bathed him. And while bathing him, that's when she discovered the marks all over his body.
No, Judge, she did not say that. And it brings up my next point. In her affidavit, which she filed with you, states that she saw it the night of the pickup. Right. She's telling us on the record, hold on, 14/18/55, 14/28/54, and 14/29/08 on this record that she didn't find the bruise, or she didn't find the bruise, the doctor found the bruise, and that's aggravated perjury on the record.
Okay, hold on just a moment, please. Now, where are you getting your transcript from, Mr. Saldana?
The court transcript's on the right. That's typing what I'm saying right now.
And how are you retaining it so that you can go back and read what was said 2 hours ago?
The little cursor on the right, when we took a break, I can push it up now. I can tell you what happened earlier today.
I can't do that. So go right ahead. What did she say?
She has just perjured herself in court. You as a magistrate judge here should take judicial notice, and that's a felony in the state of Texas.
So you're saying because she has a variance between her testimony and her affidavit. that
There's
she
no,
did perjury.
again, Judge, you've been making excuses for everybody not in,
Mr. Saldana, I'm gonna allow you to have a respectful disagreement, but I think that you need to continue questioning her, and you're doing fine with the way you're going about it. Now, you can continue, but I'm not gonna have an argument with you again about whether or not I'm enforcing the law.
it's how many restraining orders have you filed in this court?
This one,
Yes.
I don't know.
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 I'm going to object to counsel, testifying for us. I heard you, Mr. Joseph, tell her. She's right next to you. You told her, I don't know.
In another room.
Yeah, you
It's
don't need to
almost as if we're having a reverberation. I don't know whether there's some delay in the audio part